Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami horned owl. It is pretty easy to make, and we'll need a regular piece of origami paper, a pair of scissors, a marker, and some double-sided tape. If you like our video, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We're gonna start by folding the origami paper in half diagonally and cut it. We'll use one part for the head and the other for the body. So we'll start with the white side up, fold it in half, and we'll make just a little crease here so that we know where the center is. Now we're going to bring this corner down, fold it to the crease in the center, and do the same for the other side. Now we're going to bring this corner up and this one too. And then turn the model over. And now we're going to bring this corner down a little bit more than this. And crease. And then we'll bring this corner just underneath it. And this is the head. Next, we'll do the body. We're gonna start just like for the head. We'll fold it in half and crease just a little bit, and then fold this corner down sideways, and the other one. Now turn the model over and we'll fold this corner up all the way to here where the two lines meet, and then bring it down. And this is the body. Now we're going to put them together. And for this, I will stick some double-sided tape here. You can also use glue if you want. Okay, now all we need to do is draw the eyes. And that's it. This is our owl. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. See you next time!